माय चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर बटन। तो ये कक्षा 11 का वाइवा क्वेश्चन दिया गया है बायोलॉजी का। व्हाट इज क्रोमेटोग्राफी? क्रोमेटोग्राफी क्या होती है? टेक्निक होती है सेपरेशन ऑफ द डिफरेंट सबस्टेंस प्रेजेंट टुगेदर इन ए सॉल्यूशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू रेट द ट्रबल इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन मटेरियल। डेवलपमेंट टेक्निक्स फॉर द क्रोमेटोग्राफी development Russian botanist Michel Trist. How are different compounds in the mixture identify the paper chromatography? Separate compounds are identified, calculate their RF value matching same with the standard RF compound. How is RF and a relative flow value calculated? RF value and a relative flow is calculated is equal to distance travel in the compound, distance travel by compound, distance travel solvent. Which plant organic contain chlorophyll? तो chloroplast में. Where are pigment located in the chloroplast? Pigments are located in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. What are the carotenoid pigment? Carotenoids are the accessory pigment which help in the trapping of solar energy. Also protected chlorophyll molecule under the intense light. Type of the carotenoid pigment found in the higher plant. So carotenoid orange and exophile yellow. What is different between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Chlorophyll A has methyl CH3 group. Chlorophyll B has aldehyde CHO group. Add one of propyrrole ring. What is acetate? Acetones or either acetones used as solvent and not water. Is this acetone या ether acetone or organic solvent plant pigment get dissolved in these solvent can easily separate out. The chromatographic paper strip hang in the center of the strip. Touching of the strip with the wall of the tube will interfere with the running of solvent and pigment will be not separate accurately. अगर है आपका रेट ऑफ रेस्पायरेशन से तो इसके वीडियो में इसमें नहीं ले पाऊँगा, जितना आ जाएगा उतना एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। रेस्पायरेशन क्या होता है? Respiration is process breakdown of the complex organic compound into the simple compound like the carbon dioxide and water with release energy in the living cell. Different type of respiration. Respiration two type होता है, एक इवोरिक respiration होता है, एक एनाइबोरिक respiration. इवोरिक respiration क्या होता है? Breakdown of complex organic compound completely into the carbon dioxide and water in presence of oxygen.